Alright guys, here's your man JC. Today we're talking about explaining limits. Basically it's what it means is like as the x value get arbitrarily closer to this value of a, the function, the output gets closer to something else. It's basically when you like A is the input and then this is the output. It's basically like a function, like a normal function, like really easy. For example, limit x equals 7, fx equals 35x, then you'll just write it like very good number. The form is like you write it like this. It's really. For another example, if it's like this. If you're asking this, just plug x in as usual. So it's like, and you'll surprisingly get 0 over 0. Which now we have to introduce a thing called L'Hôpital's rule. I don't know how to pronounce it. My French is not very good. Where it's basically that if this whole big thing equals to 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, which we'll talk about that later, you just use this rule. Like derivatize the numerator and the denominator. So for the example, let's just use the other thing. Now, what is the derivative of this? We could just do this. And the bottom 3. Let's make x plus 9 equals k, because k is a good letter. Now we find this, we get rid of the negative 3, and then we get k to the negative first power, which this, the derivative of this is negative k to the negative second power, which means 1 over k squared, then negative 1 over k squared. And then that divided by 3. So we ending up getting 1 over 3k squared, which we know k squared equals x squared plus 18x plus 81. 3k squared equals this. Oh yeah. And then the final answer should be negative 1 over this whole thing. And then we plug it in, plug 0 in, those are nothing. And then the final answer should be this. So guys, just remember, limits is like basically normal function, which is written differently. and it means different, like it's getting closer to stuff. And then if it's 0 over 0, just use this rule, the hospital rule.